Curriculum vitae of Anandita Singh, PhD Research Scholar, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Bombay. LinkedIn, https://www.linkedin.com/in/anandita-singh-2a4bb698/. Email anandita.karmas@gmail.com. Mobile +91 88790366623 or +91 83692692835. Academic qualifications: Doctor of Philosophy from IIT Bombay, specializing in manufacturing, Department of Mechanical Engineering, May 2020. Master of Technology from NIT Rourkela, specializing in production engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, June 2014. Bachelor of Technology from HBTI Kanpur, specializing in mechanical engineering, May 2011. Intermediate, or +2, from St. John's School, DLW, Varanasi, March 2006. Matriculation from St. John's School, DLW, Varanasi, March 2004. Skills: Researcher at Manufacturing Processes Lab, Metrology Lab, IIT Bombay. Machines and Instruments, 3-axis high-speed micro-machining center, hybrid micro-machining center. DT110i, wire EDM, ECM, force measuring dynamometers, Alicona infinite focus microscope, Zeta optical microscope, toolmaker's microscope, high-speed imaging. Research tools: programming language, MATLAB, C and C++, statistical Minitab, design expert, Origin Lab. PhD research projects: Study of process characteristics of microgrinding for dental applications. Guide Professor Rakesh G. Mote and co-guide Professor Ramesh K. Singh. Developed a new methodology of surface generation on brittle materials by considering the grit-scallop interaction. Statistical analysis of the microgrinding tool topography for the identification of the probability distribution function, best describing the tool topographical features. Analysis of the effect of microgrinding tool topography and the process parameters on the ground surface roughness. Achieved nanometric ground surface finish in dental zirconia by carrying out the performance assessment of the metal bonded and electroplated microgrinding tools. Developed an analytical model for the time-dependent wear of multi-layered microgrinding tools. An innovative methodology developed for the identification of crack initiation and propagation in sintered dental zirconia, from July 2014 to present. M.Tech. Research projects application of nanofluids in minimum quantity lubrication for achieving better surface finish in an environmentally friendly way. Guide Professor S. Gangopadhyay. Study of the effect of molybdenum disulfide, or MOS2, nanoparticles in MQL nanolubrication during turning of 316L stainless steel. Investigation of the effect of conventional water-soluble cutting oil and paraffin oil on surface roughness. Significant reduction in cutting temperature obtained along with a decrease in surface roughness, cutting force, and chip thickness when MOS2 powder was added to the base fluid. This research was conducted from May 2013 to June 2014. B.Tech. Research projects: Study and fabrication of small-scale biodiesel production unit for domestic applications. Guide Professor Onkar Singh. Study of biodiesel production process. Study of existing biodiesel production plants and identification of scope for its improvement. Fabrication of small-scale prototype unit for production of biodiesel from waste cooking oil, which is significantly available as kitchen waste. This project was carried out from January 2011 to May 2011. Research publications: journals Anandita S. Solanki D. Sencha R. Singh R. Mote R. Singh R. Study and characterization of the ductile brittle transition zone in sintered zirconia. Journal of Manufacturing Processes 2020, https://doi.org/10.1016/j.jmapro.2020.08.057. Anandita S. Mote R. Singh R. Stochastic Analysis of Microgrinding Tool Topography and its Role in Surface Generation. ASME Journal of Manufacturing Science and Engineering 2017, https://doi-10.1115/1.40380056. Anandita S. Mote RG, Singh R. Surface generation via scallop overlap analysis during grinding. International Journal of Advanced Manufacturing Technology 2017. https://duai.org/10.1070-017-017-1395-6. Singh A. Anandita S. Gangopadhyay S. Microstructural analysis and multi-response optimization during ECM of Inconel 825 using hybrid approach. Materials and manufacturing processes, 2015. https://duai.org/10.1080/104269114.2014.973575. Azim S. Gangopadhyay S. Mahapatra S. Middle R. Singh A. Singh R. Study of cutting forces and surface integrity and micro-drilling of a Ni-based superalloy. Journal of Manufacturing Processes, 2019. https://doi.org/10.1016/j.jmapro.2019.07.016. Conferences: Solanki D., Sencha R., Singh A., Moat R., and Singh R. Identification of ductile to brittle transition zone in sintered zirconia during progressive depth scratching. World Congress on Micro and Nano Manufacturing, WCMNM 2019. September 10 to 12, 2019 at Raleigh, North Carolina, USA. Anandita S., Moat R., and Singh R. Characterization of surface roughness during microgrinding for applications in microfluidic devices. 7th International and 45th National Conference on Fluid Mechanics and Fluid Power FMFP, December 10 to 12, 2018, IIT Bombay, Mumbai, India. Anandita S., Moat R. and Singh R. Time-dependent evolution of metal bonded microgrinding tool topography due to wear. World Congress on Micro and Nano Manufacturing, WCMNM 2018, September 18 to 20, 2018 at Portorož, Slovenia. Anandita S., Moat R. and Singh R. Surface roughness prediction during microgrinding of zirconia. 6th International and 27th All India Manufacturing Technology, Design and Research Conference, AMTTR 2016. December 16 to 18, 2016 at College of Engineering, Pune, Maharashtra, India. Anandita S., Gangopadhyay S. Effect of cutting speed and tool material on the formation of built-up layer during high-speed machining of aluminium alloy. Smart Technologies for Mechanical Engineers, October 25 to 26, 2013, at Delhi College of Engineering, New Delhi, India. Key courses: PhD, Mathematical Methods in Engineering Advanced Manufacturing Processes, M.Tech, Metal Cutting and Tool Design, Laser Application in Manufacturing Modern Manufacturing Processes, Production Management Optimization Method in Engineering Design, Quality Engineering and Reliability. Workshops, conferences attended: 6th International and 27th All India Manufacturing Technology, Design and Research Conference, December 16th to 18th, 2016 at College of Engineering, Pune, Maharashtra, India. International Conference on Precision, Micro, Meso and Nano Engineering, December 10th to 12th, 2015 at IIT Bombay, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Workshop on Advances in Tooling for Diamond Turning, September 5th to 6th, 2015 at IIT Bombay in association with hvac India Limited, Navi Mumbai. Hands-on workshop on diamond turning, April 19th to 21st, 2015 organized by CSR CSIO Chandigarh. Smart Technologies for Mechanical Engineers, October 25th to 26th, 2013, at Delhi College of Engineering, New Delhi, India. Interfinish, Syria, 2013 Asia-Pacific International Conference on Surface Engineering for Research and Industrial Applications, August 7th to 9th, 2013. Rajalakshmi Engineering College, Thandalam, Tamil Nadu. Short-term course on Introduction to AutoCAD, 3D Modeling and Dynamic Analysis of Mechanical System for Condition Monitoring, conducted by NIT Rourkela during July 9th to 12th, 2013, under Continuing Education Program, Industrial Training on WAG 7 Locomotive, June 7th to July 3rd, 2010, at Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Jhansi, India. Symposiums: 2nd Mechanical Engineering Graduate Research Symposium, on 21st March 2015 at IIT Bombay, Mumbai, India. Awards and Achievements: won the Best Student Presentation First Runner-Up Award at the World Congress on Micro and Nano Manufacturing, 2019 held at Raleigh, NC, USA from 9th to 12th September 2019. Amongst the top 20 finalists of the GE Edison Challenge held at national level by the General Electricals. 98.6 percentile in graduate aptitude test in engineering across 80,000 candidates. Leadership facility in charge of machines and equipment in Machine Tools Lab and Metrology Lab, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Bombay. Head TA for Manufacturing Processes Lab, guided 12 TAs to conduct experiments and organized evaluation for more than 140 undergraduate students. Conducted lab sessions for Manufacturing and Metrology Laboratory for undergraduate students on micro-EDM process and surface characterization from 2015 till date. Manufacturing Practice Laboratory. Head TA for Manufacturing Practice Laboratory. Guided 12 TAs to conduct experiments and organized evaluation for more than 140 undergraduate students. Conducted hands-on workshop training and CNC programming methodologies for undergraduate students. Managing Coordinator of hvac from August 2017 to 2019. Non-profitable organization for teaching the underprivileged children. References: Professor Rakesh G. Mote, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Bombay, Powai, Mumbai, 40076 India. Professor Ramesh K. Singh, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Bombay, Powai, Mumbai, 40076 India. Professor Soumya Gangopadhyay, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Bhilai, Raipur 492015, India.